How to fix Crunchyroll Premium not working. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you'll have to make sure that your application is up to date. So simply go ahead and open up your app store. Once you open it up, in the search bar, search for Crunchyroll. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your Crunchyroll application update to its latest version. Now once it is updated, head back to your home screen and then open up settings in your mobile device. Once you open it up, scroll below and then tap on general. From here, simply tap on iPhone storage. Now once you are inside the iPhone storage, search for Crunchyroll and then tap onto it. Now in this section, simply tap on Upload App and then tap on Upload App again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by Crunchyroll and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once it is done uploading, simply make sure to reinstall the application again. Now once it is done, head back to your home screen and then open up your preferred browser in your mobile device. And once you open it, in the search bar, search for Down Detector. Visit sites like Down Detector or Crunchyroll's Twitter page to see if there is any server issue. If there is an outage, wait until the service is restored. Now once it is done, head back to your home screen and then check the payment issue. If the Crunchyroll Premium stopped working unexpectedly, verify that your payment method has sufficient fund, ensure your card or payment account hasn't expired, or contact your bank to ensure there are no blocked transactions. Now once it is done, simply restart your mobile device and then you'll be good to go. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.